Hi guys, welcome back to another video of mine. I've been away for a bit, but I'm back now. So as you can see by the title, I'll be reviewing the Cream of Nature Pure Honey product line, and I'll be doing a wash day using my special HGC shampoo products and showing you how I use those in conjunction with the Pure Honey line. So that's just some palm oil. I'll be mixing it with the Cream of Nature conditioner to do a pre-poo to begin. So really what I'm doing in this video is monitoring my progress. As you guys are aware, if you've seen my previous video, I'm on a special hair treatment for 6 months. I start off by spritzing my hair with some water, then I'm going to work the product into my hair and detangle, starting from the tips to the roots, and I'm going in with my Denman brush. So the conditioner doesn't provide that much slip, but it is a little bit okay. I guess it's because the palm oil wasn't that runny and the conditioner itself isn't that runny, but I was still able to get through my hair and detangle it without any pain to my scalp. So the Cream of Nature Pure Honey collection is infused with a blend of pure honey, certified natural coconut oil and shea butter. This collection targets dry, dehydrated hair to provide essential moisture, softness and smoothness where your hair needs it without weighing it down. So the benefits of this conditioner is to lock in moisture, smooth and soften the hair, control frizz and untangle, and it also has no sulfates and no mineral oil. It's not a natural product. It does have unnatural products and ingredients inside, and it does do a good job, I believe. The line to me does smell more on the floral side, but I guess some of the products does smell a bit like honey, but majority of them smell more like a floral scent. So the directions say to leave this conditioner in the hair for 5 minutes, comb through for even distribution, and then rinse out. But in this case I will be using it for a pre-poo, a pre-shampoo treatment, and I'll be leaving it in my hair for 20 minutes with heat. You can also use this conditioner as a co-wash. I find that when I do sit under the hooded dryer, my hair gets a better treatment and it's more soft, and the moisture lasts longer in my hair throughout the week. So now I'm going in with my special formula shampoo from the hair growth clinic, and this item I'm only supposed to put it on my scalp, work it in for 3 minutes and then rinse it out. I wash my hair once a week, every week, But if you are on a special treatment such as this one, you can go ahead and wash it 2 to 3 times per week. I just find that because I have type 4C hair, it's better to do it once a week because I don't want my hair to become extremely dry. And these products can be quite drying. So I'm just really working the product into my problem area to make sure that my problem area gets the TLC that it deserves so it can grow. Once I've washed away the pre-poo and the HGC shampoo, now I'm going in with the Crème of Nature shampoo. It is called the Crème of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo. The benefits of this shampoo is to cleanse the hair, restore moisture for a healthy looking hair, detangle and soften, provides healthy shine. It also has no sulfates and no mineral oil. And if you noticed, I did not allow the Crème of Nature shampoo to touch my scalp, only the mid-length to ends of my natural hair. Now I'm going to go in with my conditioner for my scalp and the deep repair mask. So I'm putting in this conditioner on my scalp. I'm supposed to put it in, work it in, massage it thoroughly, leave it for 3 minutes, and then rinse it off. If you do want to know more about these HGC products, you can click the link down below. Now I'm going in, guys, with the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strengthening Hair Mask. It's 11.4 ounces. The benefits is to strengthen and help prevent frizz, tame and control frizz, replenish moisture, and supply a super slip to act as a detangler. And it also has no sulfates and no mineral oil. Then I'm gonna go and cover my head with a plastic cling film and then sit under the hooded dryer again for another 20 minutes. So my final step is to moisturize my hair and add in the hair serum provided by the HGC clinic. So this item right here is the leave-in conditioner. It says break up breakage for dry damaged hair. No sulfates, no mineral oils. Once again, it's 8 fluid ounces. It's got pure honey, rich coconut oil and creamy shea butter inside. And it says to spray all over damp hair and comb through. So for this particular week I was wearing a wig, so I'm just going to cane my hair going all back. But I like to leave that small section in the front just off to the side so that I don't add any tension and cause any breakage. This is my homemade hair oil. I'll leave a link to that down below as well. And that's me sealing in the moisture. Also, I forgot to mention, guys, the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. That's what I put on my hair after the leave-in conditioner. Got the same ingredients as before. This is 11.5 ounces again, which I think these products is a good size for the price. In the shop they're about £4 or £5 each. So this twisting cream is supposed to define the curls, provides crunch-free, soft and shiny curls, and it provides a long-lasting hold. It's non-flaky, non-sticky and non-greasy, and I do believe that those claims are correct. The leave-in conditioner is meant to add moisture, help protect against breakage, and help detangle with less breakage. The leave-in conditioner does not provide a lot of slip in my opinion, and out of the entire line I would say my favorite is the twisting cream. Second to that it would be the shampoo. I haven't really used the edge control because I'm trying to grow my edges, so I don't put gel on my edges. I'm just showing you a glimpse of my hair. That's my homemade oil for my scalp only. This is the HGC hair serum, which is supposed to help with the breakage and thinning that's going on in my front and back nape area, or hairline rather. And I'm supposed to put this on twice a day, every day, massage it in, and then leave it alone. And I'm supposed to only use 1 milliliters worth of product. So I try to remember to do that every day, once in the morning and once in the night. And these are my end results. I hope you guys learned something from this video and enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.